Let's now talk about special fonts for Instagram. Because I've seen some profiles, I can show you one, that are using like special fonts here. For example, this is a special font, or also in the posts itself sometimes. Okay, not at the moment, yeah, here. So some special fonts here. And these are pretty easy. You can use them for your post description or also for your profile description. You just have to go on Google and Google for IG fonts, so Instagram fonts. These you can find here. For example, igfonts.io or igfontsgenerators.com. So there are a lot of pages that are all doing the same. And I just have this page and can paste my text into this text field here. So for example, if I want this here, I just post it in there, and then I can see all the different fonts or text styles that I can use. And then I can just copy one and paste it into my post when posting a new one or updating my profile description. Of course, I can also say edit here. Then I can edit that. Then it looks like that. I will cancel that now, but I could do it. And I already did it for all of my posts and basically highlighted some of my words with another font. So some of them are bold, thicker, and I just used another font here, which is, I think, this actually. So I just said, okay, I need this word, which is my YouTube channel, in normal characters, okay. And then I search for the font, which is, let's say, this or this. And then I just copy it and paste it into my text. I can also use this on my smartphone by just opening this website on my smartphone, but I would do it directly in a Word document on the computer or in a Note app or directly when uploading a post. So this helps to make some text bolder or just to be a bit more special and to be a bit different than other profiles.